Hi, I'm Allison. I'm with American Crafts and Sweet Tooth Fairy. Here today to show you some of our wonderful products. This is our glitter dust, and it makes your cupcakes and donuts and pastries just so adorable. Takes a plain white cupcake and makes it sparkle and shine. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it comes in a whole bunch of colors. It comes in gold and rose gold, silver, blue, pink, green, and it can even go on donuts. Any kind of pastry. Just makes them just a little bit more fun for your party, which is great. Speaking of the donuts, this is our mini sweet stand. So it has this rod that stores up underneath, and you can take it out, it all screws together, and then you can hold donuts. Or if you look over here, you can just hold a couple of pastries or a little mini cake, and it all stores flat just like that. We also have our cake face kit. Comes with all these pieces. That's the unicorn, but on the back you can see all the different faces that you can make. I'll show you a cake that I made for my daughter using it. She's 5 and she requested a mermaidicorn birthday, and she was blown away. Next you'll see our CAKEFETTI kits. So it comes with all these pieces. Again, they're washable, they're plastic. You can add as many or as little as you want to a cake. It comes with a set of numbers to get those milestone birthdays. We also have the cake letterboard kit. Comes with a comb to make the wonderful lines, and then it comes with a few sayings and then letters to customize your cake with any saying you want. Then here we have our Cupcakes Carrier. It holds up to 36 cupcakes. Most like it only holds 24. And so you can carry it to your party that way. Then when you get to your party, you can display your cupcakes proudly on the cute little stand that it is. This finishes it off a little bit, so you can also carry that around. You can also carry a tall cake in here. You can then, it collapses, so you can carry a short cake or a plate of cookies or a plate of brownies. And then when you're done and you don't need to use it for a minute, when you nest them all separately in the other direction, it collapses to then store easily. Put that away in a cupboard. Isn't that fabulous? These are our cupcake kits. It comes with the liner, a cupcake topper, and the sprinkle all in one. Enough to do 12 cupcakes. That's the floral one. Here's the fun little pom-pom party one. Bright colors are so fun. And these can work with the dust to be colored as you wish for your parties. To match whatever party you're going for, whether you're going for pink or purple or the gold, you color them with the dust. And last we have this wonderful, my favorite item. It's our rose gold cake stand, and it can be used with just one piece. You can do a tiered one. I also have used this just as a centerpiece for a table to display things, but it is beautiful for wedding cakes, shower cakes. I did it for a baptism cake. All of her products are adorable, they're cute, they're versatile, and they're gonna sell really well.